Hey guys, welcome to my garage, sort of, kind of a mess. But I'm building a squirrel house for my mother-in-law, and I had to cut this hole out. So I cut it out with a jigsaw, but I wanted to clean it up a little bit. So I bought this drum sanding kit. Fits right into your electric drill or battery operated drill. It comes with 50, 80, and 120 grit sandpaper, and you can almost see the texture of it change from the more coarse to the more fine. But if you're removing a lot of wood, you want to go with the coarse grit, the 50 grit, and it's really simple to use. Slide the sandpaper over this rubber. This is a rubber gasket type thing. Slide it over, and then as you tighten it down, it's a 1/2 inch wrench. As you tighten it down, the rubber expands on it and won't let it come off. So we'll tighten this on, and there you have it. Oh, not quite. Close though. Still a little loose. Oh, it would help if I tightened it instead of loosening it. But there it is. So you're all set. You stick that in your drill and you can sand inside these holes or edges, whatever you need to sand with a drum sander, you can do it with these attachments. They come in different sizes. Get the one that's appropriate for what you're doing. I hope you enjoy this as much as I've enjoyed mine. Have a great rest of your day.